Techno Teaching Info Solution TTIS presents Intuition, the edge in knowledge. Two, by the action of dilute HCl or dilute H2SO4 on active metals. Sodium, potassium or calcium reacts with acids to form their respective salts and hydrogen gas, but the reaction is explosive in nature. Sodium, on reacting with sulfuric acid, gives sodium sulfate and hydrogen gas. Sodium, on reacting with hydrochloric acid, forms sodium chloride and hydrogen gas. Metals like magnesium, zinc, and iron react with dilute sulfuric acid or hydrochloric acid to form their respective salts and hydrogen gas. For example, zinc reacts with dilute sulfuric acid to form zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas. Zinc, on reaction with hydrochloric acid, gives zinc chloride with the evolution of hydrogen gas. 3. By the action of concentrated alkali solution on metals. When the metals like zinc, aluminium, lead, tin in powdered state are boiled with caustic soda, they displace hydrogen gas from the alkalis. Zinc reacts with caustic soda in boiling condition, giving sodium zincate and hydrogen gas. Aluminium reacts with caustic soda to give sodium aluminate and hydrogen gas. These metals are called amphoteric metals. 4. By the electrolysis of water. When electric current is passed through acidylated water, water containing sulfuric acid, it splits into hydrogen and oxygen. 2H2O, that is acidylated water, in presence of electric current will give 2H2, that is hydrogen, plus O2, that is oxygen. Since water is a poor conductor of electricity, few drops of acids are added to water so that current can flow through water more easily. Electrolysis of water. A voltmeter is fitted with 2 platinum electrodes. Some acidylated water is poured in voltmeter. Now, the current is passed from a battery. The water then decomposes into H plus cations and OH minus anions. H plus cation will accumulate at cathode, negatively charged electrode, and OH minus anions will accumulate at anode, positively charged electrode. At cathode, 2 hydrogen ions accept 2 electrons to form hydrogen gas, whereas at anode, 4 hydroxyl ions lose 4 electrons to form oxygen gas and water. The amount of hydrogen gas generated is twice the amount of oxygen gas. The ratio by volumes of H2 is to O2 is equal to 2:1.